Ladies and gentlemen, my dear teacher.
Clap.
Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I'm 𝐁𝐫𝐢𝐠𝐡. I'm from 𝗣𝗿ście Primary High School. And then they all are my classmates.
Are you the only presenter for this project?
Yes.
So could you please introduce your friend individually? Individually. Yeah, introduce themselves.
My name is 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝐿. I'm in grade 10.
My name is 𝐁𝐿𝐫𝐚𝐝. I'm grade 10 student. I'm 16 years old.
My name is 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝐿. I'm a grade 10 student.
My name is 𝐵𝗿𝐿. I'm a new student of 𝗦𝗲𝐻𝑆.
I'm 𝗦𝗲𝘀𝐿. I am a grade 10 student from 𝗦𝗲 School. I'm 15 years old.
All is grade 10 students.
I am 𝗁𝗁𝐿. I'm in grade 10 student.
My name is 𝐵𝗿𝐿. I am a student.
My name is 𝗁𝗁𝐿. I am turning grade 10. My age is 16 years old.
My name is 𝗁𝗁𝐿. I am a grade student. I am 16 years old.
I will be presenting our project 𝗦𝗲𝐻𝑆. There are one project name, two ingredients, three cause of ingredients, and four how to prepare. Five presentation, six purpose, seven lesson outcomes, and eight sentence. Our project's name is The Beauties of the Rainy Season and the Lives of Farmers. The main ingredients are 1 paper sheets, 2 color papers, 3 glues, 4 slime sheets, and 5 cotton bags. Our 1 paper sheet is 10,000 jets, 2 color papers is 500 jets, and 3 glues is 500 jets, and 4 slime sheet is 1,000 jets, and 5 cotton bags is 300 jets. So total one is 33,000 jets. We prepare like discovered our plans and share ideas and collect the ingredients. Firstly, we use the paper sheet and create the rainy scenes, and then we use color papers and make the markings and fields. After that, we use slime sheets to create cloud. Moreover, we use cotton bags to create rain, and we use green slime sheets to create plants. And the last stage, we use watercolor. Finally, we close the bags project. The purpose of doing our projects is to know the lives of farmers in the rainy season, to understand the weather in the rainy season, and to know and understand the relationship between the rainy season and the lives of farmers. As an outcome, we all realize that rainy season is important for farmers. It also creates health of plants and vegetation. We realize the weather condition. We realize the relationship between the planet and the rainy season. I really thank you for allowing me to participate in the project and give me the time to listen. Thank you, everyone.
How many seasons in Myanmar?
There are 3 seasons.
What are they?
Hot season, rainy seasons, and cool seasons.
Where did you get from this message?
This message from
𝗁𝗁𝐿 means to do this project, you need to collect a lot of ideas, right? So to do this project, where did you get these ideas? So discussing with your friends or searching from Google or searching from internet and
especially from careers and from our teachers.
Okay, your teacher advised you to give some of these ideas to do this project. So in your project, I found to realize in your lesson outcome to realize the weather conditions, right? So I found a photo of flooding, right, in your project, right? So currently, we face natural disaster flooding, in Mijina, right? So in 𝐵𝗶𝘆, we also face natural disaster. So how can we prevent before flooding natural disaster?
Yes. So we don't get a lot of tree or something like not bury a house in the edge of the river. Not fishing or something like. If the sign is not for fishing, so you don't have to fish. Don't fish when it's not fish here. We need to protect our environment with our for protecting our family. It is for all our people and it is for the world. Because if flowing, I know
You don't have any experience. We need to reduce cutting down trees, right? The typically, natural disaster like flooding, mediation, no? Okay. So after a flooding, so what effects can we get? Maybe disadvantages. No, mostly we get some of disadvantages after flooding, like disease. Disease and we did one, affected children.
We will get parasite from the water. Because the water is so dirty and they are flowing, so the tree or some kind of sand always missing. So there is urea and parasite in there. So we would get some disease, like
skin disease, right? And then there is diarrhea. Which means in Myanmar, one year, one shore, parasites, So about life of farmers, in your project, I noticed two objectives, right? The first one is to know about the life of farmers, and then the second one is to realize weather conditions, right? So can you explain about teacher, you want to know a little bit about life of farmer?
Life of farmer.
In the rainy season, weather is so cloudy and rainy. So that's why farmer get the water not in the river, but from the nature. So that's why. We will get water from the rain. So they don't have to get from the river or some pond or some water from the pond or river or something like that. So they will not get any kind of something like don't get so much. Don't use of strange so much. So it's rain. So you don't have to get water from the river.
What about the others? Yeah, you always explain, right? What about the others?
Can you tell? Yeah.
Above how much?
Yes. You can share everything.
when floating in the river, there is disadvantage. Farmer has disadvantage because when rain heavily, their farm has floating in their cover destroyed by floating away. So as last day normal rate. So farmer has disadvantage for the floating.
You can go back to your room. See the project. Thank you.